All right, good morning, class. We are going to learn about 10 frames today, and we're going to start off with a little song, a little video that'll help us learn what a 10 frames is and get the feel for it.
Last Monday in my classroom, we played a cool new game, and now I'll show you what it was. It was a good dance.
So that was fun and exciting, and sorry. Let's put off that. So that was a little video, it was a little exciting. Wouldn't you agree?
Absolutely.
I know me excited to get started and get excited and started to do our 10 frames. Today we're going to learn what a 10 frame is and some tools that we can use to help us add and subtract using that. So at this time, let's go to our floor time. And get a couple things. Alright, this is what a 10 frames looks like. It is a long, empty box with 10 frames. It's got 5 on top, 5 on the bottom. It's 5 spaces. So you would think 5 plus 5 would give us 10. So we would have 5 objects here and 5 objects here. Okay, the top row has 5 and the bottom row has 5. So we're going to do, if I fill the 5 top rows with 5 purple dots and the bottom row with 5 red dots, I have 5 plus 5 gives me 10, which is a 10 frames. Okay? Now, to show the numbers on a 10 frames, we'll fill the first row. When the top row is filled, you have 5 objects, just like up here. And when both rows are filled, you have 10 objects. So again, we could even do 4 here, 4 dots, 4 purple dots, and then 6 red dots. And it doesn't matter if your dots are here or on the bottom, as long as you fill up your 10 frames. So 4 plus 6 equals 10. And that is how a 10 frame looks and how it works. So now, let's return to our seats. Okay, I'm going to give you a 10 frame, and I'm going to give you some counters. Oops, sorry. I think I gave you an extra one. Ooh. Alright, I'm going to model a word problem using my 10 frames, which is here, as you can see. And I'm going to use some counters. So listen to the word problem. Listen and watch closely. Tim has 10 bouncy balls. He gets 2 more bouncy balls. How many bouncy balls does Tim have now? So we're going to completely fill in our 10 frames chart. And by doing that, we want to know how many bouncy balls did Tim begin with. So how many did he begin with?
10.
10, that's right. So let's fill up our first 10 frames. There's 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom.
That gives us 10.
That does give us 10. Very good. Now we're going to add 2 more because he received how many more?
2 more.
2 more. So when he got 2 more, how many bouncy balls does he have in all? Well, we know this is 10, and we add 2 more. So 10 and 2 more gives us
12.
12 bouncy balls. Okay? Alright, so let's do it again. Go ahead and let's fill up our top 10 frame with 10. Is everybody getting it? We understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Alright, now we have 10, and let's add 3 more. 10 and 3 more. 10 and 3 more gives us
13.
13. Very good. Very good. Y'all are doing very good. Alright, now I want you to do this one on your own. While I come around and I look at this. Jill has 10 books. Jill got 5 more books. How many books does Jill have now? Use your counters, complete your 10 frames up top first, and then remember how many more she got. She got 5 more. So I'm going to come around and make sure you're getting the hang of it. Good job. Good job. Alright, now let's look at another one. Alright, so now we're going to look at our worksheet. Well, let's do something different. Yeah, let's look at our worksheet, and I'm going to pass it out for you. So you can keep this sheet, take it home with you, make sure you understand it, play around with it. Pass them out, please. Alright, so now we're going to look at the number 13 on our page. 13 is a 2-digit number. The 1 in the 13 means 110, which we have right here. And the 3 means 3 ones, which we have right here. So we have 110 plus 3 ones. So 10 ones and 3 ones is the same as 110 and 3 ones. 110 and 3 ones. So that gives us 10 plus 3, which is the same as 13. So I want you guys to get out your cubes and let's figure out how many 10s and 1s we have and what it makes. So right here we have a 10. Well, mine are too big to put on there, so let's just add it like this. So how many 10s? We know that this is a 10 frame, so that automatically gives us 10. So how many 10s do we have?
10 or 110.
110. How many 1s?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. We got 5 1. So 110, one of these equals how many altogether?
15. Or 110?
110.
10.
Just this. 10. And then we bring down our 5, that's 5 1. So 110 and 5 1 is
15.
very good. Getting a little ahead of
I was
me.
waiting to say that number.
You got it. You're catching on to this. Very good. All right, now look at this one. We automatically know here's our 10 frames, so that equals what? 10. So how many do we have?
1,
1. So how many 1s do we have?
2,
2. So 110 and 2 1s. 110 equals
10,
just 10. And 2 1s. 10 plus 2 equals
12.
12. Very good. Got a bunch of smarties in here today. Alright, so I'm going to see if you can do, we'll flip over, see if you can do the next one by yourself. Number 3, sorry. Do number 3 and then I'm going to do it with you. Okay? Okay? So now, how many 10s do we have?
There are 10 in the 10 frames.
So there is 10 in 10 frames, so that gives us how many?
1.
1 10. How many 1s do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 1. So 110 equals how many?
10 cubes.
10 cubes. Good. And how many cubes of 1s do we have?
7.
7. So 110 and 1 7, which is 10 plus 7, equals
17.
17. Very good. Alright. Now, you can do number 4 and 5 on your own, and I'll come around and look at that in just a moment. So go ahead and do that while I get everything else together.
Okay.
All right. Table 1, I want you to complete or make me a tens frame with the number 11. Number 2, table 2, I want you to do a tens frame with the number 15. And table 3, I want you to do me a tens frame with the number 18. And I want y'all to work together in groups. So if you have any questions, y'all can help each other figure it out and get better understanding with it. Okay. Good job, table 1. Good job, table 2. Good job, table 3. Alright, now, I want you to look at these addition facts. Alright, same thing again. Table 1, sorry, Miss Colorford keeps getting that backwards. Table 1, I want you to work 10 plus 8 on your 10 frames in your cubes. Table 2, 10 plus 2. And table 3, 10 plus 5. Y'all get busy working together, discuss the problem, I'll come around and look at it. Alright. Good job, table 1. Good job, table 2. Good job, table 3. So our 10 frames, they're not hard. They're really easy and it helps us to do our addition problems, and we can also use the 10 frames for our subtraction problems. Anytime you have a cube or anything you can use to fill in a 10 frame, you can use it. Okay? You can also do it with subtraction facts. So tomorrow we might pick up a little bit on subtraction, but today you got a feel of what a 10 frame is and examples of how it's used. So do page 13 of your homework, and I will see you guys tomorrow.